Hello YouTube. This is the beginning of my new computer build. I am going to be putting in a Core i9-7920X. I'm pairing that with some G.Skill 3200 32 gig RGB RAM and a Samsung 960 Pro 1 terabyte M.2. I'm going to be putting all of that into a Asus TUF 299X Mark I motherboard. I'll be utilizing a GeForce GTX 1080 Ti Strix overclocked edition, and I'm putting all of that in a nice tempered glass Rosewell Cullen case. Be powering it with an EVGA 1000 watt power supply. My sound will be coming from a Sound Blaster ZXR. There'll be some RGB lighting. Cooling it all with hardline cooling. There's going to be a 240 millimeter radiator in the front with a 360 radiator in the top. Deep cool RGB fans, a Neo charger pump and reservoir, and I'll be connecting it all to a 32-inch Samsung QLED gaming monitor running at 1440p and 144 megahertz refresh. I hope you all enjoy the video. This will be my first time doing a water-cooled build. I'm jumping straight into hardline, so wish me luck.